Howdy, everybody. Ryan Jewell here. I'm a senior technical support analyst here at Civis Analytics, and today I'm going to show you just how quickly and easily you can deploy a product-ready web application using Civis Platform's service deployment. Say you're instructed to quickly create and host a report for an upcoming conference, or your stakeholders need an interactive dashboard by the end of the week. With Civis Platform, you can deploy our Shiny, Streamlit, or Flask applications in just minutes. No server management and no complicated infrastructure setup required. The fastest way to get started is with our service templates. You can find these templates under the publishing menu in Civis's nav menu. And notice, in addition to our generic templates, we have 3 specialty templates for Streamlit, Shiny, and Flask. Today, I'll be focusing on Shiny. This gives us a fully functional demo app with a GitHub repo we can clone and customize for our specific use case. After creating the service, there are 3 simple configurations that you need to be aware of. The first is the GitHub connection. This is where you point your job to the GitHub repo where the code for your Shiny app lives. You then specify which branch. Here we have main selected, and you select the path to any subfolder your app resides in. The template defaults to a Shiny app that lives in Civis's public repos, which you can host on your own. Second is the Docker image. Civis provides a default Docker image specifically for Shiny apps, so I don't need to change anything here unless you have any special requirements. But for most Shiny apps, you can just move forward with this Docker image and get your environment set up and ready to go. Third, we have resource requirements. For the most part, the default resources for memory and CPU will work for most apps, but if you use an app that requires a bit more resources, you can up these to that desired limit so your app runs smoothly. Now here's where Civis really shines for cost efficiency. I'll click the multi-schedule button at the top, and under here we have 3 options. We have on demand. This lets your app sleep after an hour in an activity and wakes up when somebody needs it. You have specific times. It stays running during certain time frames that you set up. Or you have this final option, always on. For your mission critical apps, here you can have the app run all day long. After you set your specific time, I'm going to go with on demand. You click save. And from here, we can click Start Deployment. Civis is now pulling my code from Git, setting up the Docker container, and deploying the app. And in just moments, there it is. Here's our Shiny app, fully deployed and running. Civis automatically generates a secure URL that I can share, and the app is automatically shared with my default platform groups. If I want to share it out to any more users, all I have to do is click this share button right here and invite anyone on Civis Platform to view the app. And lastly, here's the best part. When I update my code in Git, all I have to do is just click Update and Deployment, and Civis pulls the latest code without any downtime. No server management, no Docker expertise required, no DevOps headaches. And there you have it. That's service deployment on Civis Platform, from code to production in minutes. That's it for me. I'll see y'all in the ticket queue.